How to deploy GitHub project on Realwe. Want to take your GitHub project live? Realwe makes deployment simple. And here's how you can do it step by step. So first and foremost, sign up for an account on Realwe, connect your GitHub account and authorize access. Now from here, click on this new button which you'll find at the right side of the project. And then from here, go ahead and select GitHub repository and then select that specific GitHub repository that you want to deploy, and that will take you here. So in here, you need to enter your build command, start command, or publish directory depending on your project type. You can add environment variables if needed. Railway will pull your code, build it, and deploy automatically. You'll get a free Railway domain. Railway lets you add databases like Postgres, MySQL, or Redis with one click. Track logo if deployment fails, and remember, Railway redeploys every time you push to GitHub. And that's it. Your GitHub project is now live on Railway. Simple, fast, and reliable.